Okay. Right, children. Yesterday we started with ratio and proportion and we discussed the basics, right? So what is the
Yes, sir.
point number one? What is the meaning of ratio? Ratios are used to compare the two quantities which are on the same units, right?
Yeah.
Say, for example, I cannot compare 5 centimeters with 100 meters. The reason is the numerical values are same. But unfortunately, what is the problem here? It is in centimeter, it is in meter. You cannot compare these two, right? If at all, if you want to compare these two, you need to convert either centimeter to meters or meters to centimeter. Okay, is that the first point? Now, if I have a two numbers which are in the same ratio, let's say same units, A comma B, what is its ratio? How can I write its ratio?
A by B.
A is to B, which is nothing but A by B. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
In A is to B, in A is to B, A is called as a first term or antecedent. B is called as a second term or consequent. Are you clear? In the ratio A is to B, A is called as a first term or antecedent. B is called as a second term or consequent. Are you clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, right? Anybody is having any doubt?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
please don't join late children. That is a request. Please join as no. Whenever the time 6 o'clock means join by 6 o'clock only. Don't join late. Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Okay, we'll move to the next point. So what else we discussed yesterday? We discussed how do I compare the two ratios or how can I make it in a simplified version, simplest form of two ratios. So for that, it is nothing but like simplifying the fractions. Let's say I have a fraction called 120 is to 42, right? So how can I write this 120 by 42? But we all know that this will cancel by the second table, right? 2 6 are and 0 and then 2 2s are and then 2 1s are.
Yeah.
After that again it is divisible by third table, right?
Yeah.
3 20s, 3 7s. See, now this is a prime number and this is a composite number. You cannot simplify this further.
Yeah.
So the answer is 20 is to 7. This is what we learned yesterday. Are you clear about these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
also, we started one thing called, if say, for example, A is to B. Okay, let me complete this concept. Then we will move on to the next one. A is to B is 2 is to 7. Okay, let's say they given very important children. When you understand this concept, you can able to solve all the problems by your own only. What I'm trying to say, when you understand this concept, what I'm going to teach now, you can solve all the problems without any formula, without anybody's help, you can solve. So what does it mean? A is to B equal to 2 is to 7, which means, see, for example, let us take 10 and 15. What is the ratio of 10 and 15? It is
10
nothing
is
but
to
2 into 5, right?
3.
And this is nothing but 3 into 5, right? Please understand this concept clearly. What you will do, you will cancel this, right? 5, 5, you will cancel. Then you will say ratio is 2 is to 3. Now tell me, if I multiply with 5, I will get the original number, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
If I multiply with 5, again you are getting the original number.
Yes.
So you will say 2 into 5 and you will say 3 into 5. So what is your basic observation? Say somebody is given 2 is to 3. What is my original number? Usually in textbook or in school, what they will say, let us assume the numbers are 2x and 3x.
Yeah.
Why this is also x? Now you understood? Because if you multiply with the same number, if you multiply with the same number, then only you will get the original number.
Yes.
That is the reason whenever they given ratio, we will assume the numbers as 2x and 3x. It's not necessarily 2x. You can say 2a and 3a.
So basically any variable.
Any variable, but that variable should be same. Saurya, look into the board. Don't laugh. With whom you are talking? Are you watching any video? Rimjim wala, unmute. So whenever the ratio is given, your brain should inject at that I can multiply with the same variable so that I will get the original number. What is that? I will get the original number. Let us assume that my ratio is 2 is to 7.
Yeah.
What is my original number?
2x.
2x and 7x. 2x and 7x. Why? Take an example, 10 and 15. The ratio is 2 is to 3. If I multiply with the same number, then only I'm getting the original number. That is why whenever the ratio is given, you can assume the numbers as 2x and 7x. Nidish, is that clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Arjun, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Samrit, sit properly. Did you understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll ask the few questions only sixth class can answer. If the ratio is 5 is to 8, what is the my numbers? What I can assume? Don't take pen and paper. Tell me using your brain. So far you understood, right? What I can assume the original numbers? Shivaram, Akshara Shivaram, what is the original number?
Yes, sir.
Not S.
5.
Only 5. Oh my God, Akshara, what is this? What you are learning? Huh? What I told? I told so for 10 minutes. If the ratio is given, when you multiply with the same number, then only you will get the original numbers, right? Isn't it? So 2 is to 5 means what I am assuming 2 is to, 2 is to 3. What I am assuming the original number 2x and 3x. Is that your brain is working, Akshara? Are you clear about the concept?
Yes, sir.
What is your understanding? Can you explain what I did so far? What I explained so far?
So, so we need to multiply 2 and 7 and we get
Uh,
the answer as
why we need to multiply?
14
What is the reason?
to get the original number.
Right. Whenever the ratios are given, to get the original number, what to do? The ratio number should
Multiply.
be multiplied with the same variable. With the same variable. Either it is X or A or B or C, anything. Now tell me, if my ratio is 5 is to 8, then what is my original number? How can I write this original number?
5 into 8 equals 40.
Sure, Akshara, what is this, yeah? Your brain is not at all working. What I did here, did I multiply 2 into 3 to get the original numbers? Where are you? Are you slept and came just now? You only told,
Yes, sir.
right? What you told, if the numbers are 2 is to 3, what to do? To get the original number, you need to multiply with a variable. Even 3, this also should multiply with the same variable. How come you solve the problems, lines and angles? Are you able to not understand? I explained so far 20 minutes or at least 10 minutes. Hey, Darshit, if the ratio is 4 is to 5, don't write Darshit. How do I get the original numbers? You also joined very late. What I can assume the original numbers? You know or you don't know? Don't waste the time. Kaushik, how do I get the original numbers if the ratio is 4 is to 5?
Sir, sir, what number do we have to convert it to?
Hey, you didn't understood. Chinmay, what about you?
What's it?
If the ratio is given, how do I get the original numbers?
Sir, if the ratio is given, we can convert the number into 2x or any number like 2x or 3x, and
I
we
don't
can
want
add.
stories. I don't want stories. What is the ratio I given here?
So
I
4 is
given
to 5.
4 is to 5. So what I can assume to get the original number?
So 4x or 5x.
Very good. Very good. ఏం కౌశిక్ నిద్రపోతున్నావా క్లాస్ లో? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి. Let me explain one more time, children. Whoever joins late, I won't explain the concept and again, children. Sharp 6 o'clock means you should be there in the class 6 o'clock. You have lot of constraints. You have Kannada exam, then you will skip the class. You have something exam, you will skip the class or you will join late, right? Say for example, there are two numbers, 10 and 15, right? Yes or no? So
Yes,
what is
sir.
the ratio of 10 and 15? The ratio of 10 and 15 is 10 is to 15, right? Yesterday, what we discussed, we can cancel this, right?
Yeah.
On which table you can cancel?
5.
2 5s
Five.
are is 10, right? This is 3 5s are is 10, right? Now what you can do here?
15, sir.
Sorry, 3 5s are 15. Now what you will do? 5 5 cancel. Then what is my ratio? My ratio is 2 is to 3. Nishant, bend your camera. So what is your understanding? If I multiply with what, I will get 10. Original number. What is my original number here? 10, right? So if I multiply with 5, then only I am getting the original number.
Yes.
If I multiply with 5, then only I am getting the original number.
Yes.
So what is the point you should understand here is, whenever the ratio is given, the original numbers should be multiplied with same number. In this case, what number I am multiplying?
5.
I am multiplying with 5. I am multiplying
Five.
with 5, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood?
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
whenever the ratio is given, let's say ratio is 2 is to 3. Okay. Then what is my number? Original number. Let us assume not this case. So now you understood. This number into something will give you the original number.
Yeah.
So that something can be x. So 2x will give you the original number. Similarly, here also the 3 also should multiply with x only.
Yes.
Are you clear about this logic?
Yes, sir.
Shivani, did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your understanding? Can you please explain?
Sir, I understand that if there's a ratio and if you want to get the original number, you have to
Ah.
multiply the ratio into x.
Not only x, any variable. Okay, that's the important thing. Don't assume that always x. No, it is not x. You can multiply with same number. That is what the logic. It will be 2a and 3a.
Yes,
Akshara,
sir, but
Shivaram,
both the
did you
numbers
understood?
have to be multiplied into the same variable.
What is your understanding, Akshara? Tell me. What is the ratio here? How do I get the original
Sir,
numbers?
the ratio is 2 is to 3. So to get the same number, we'll multiply it with any variable to
Why
get
we
the
should
same.
multiply with any variable?
Because we had to get the same number,
Not the
2
same number, original number. What is the original
original
number?
number.
Ah,
We had to get the original number. So for example, 2 is to 3. To get the original number 2, we'll multiply 2 into a. So it becomes 2a. So for 3 also, we'll use the same variable.
okay, very good. Your understanding is clear. Everyone
Yes.
understood clearly? Geeta, Nishant,
Yes, sir.
Shaurya,
Yes,
Videsh,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Harshit, are you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let's say, for example, if ratio is given 5 is to 8, okay? Don't be fish market. Don't make fish market. I will only explain. Try to understand. So the ratio is 5 is to 8. Then what is my original number? My original number is
5.
5x. And what
5x,
about this? This is also
8x.
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 Or somebody can assume 5a. And the
5.
other number will become 8a.
8.
Or somebody can assume 5m. And the other number will become 8m. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Note down.
sir.
Please, children, see, I am putting my heart, okay, to explain to you. If you join 5 minutes late, like Darshit and other children also join later, then you cannot understand. Understand the importance of class. Each class is important. I know that you are not by hearting, right? Are you people by hearting anything in the mathematics? Here
Sir, we
also,
can't.
there is here also you are not by hearting. I explained the concept. What is the concept I explained? Let's say I have a two numbers, 40 and 50. What is its ratio? 40 is to 50.
Yes.
That
40,
means 5 eights are 40, 5 threes are, which means
3
if I multiply with the same number, then only I am going to get the original number. That's why. So what is the ratio here? 8 is to 3.
Yeah.
So what I can assume the original number if I don't know? 8x and 3x. Is that
5,
clear,
3x.
everyone? Note
Yes,
down.
sir.
Sure. I need, I think, coffee. Okay. Note down. If the ratio is given, if the ratio is given, if the ratio is given, then we can get the original numbers. we can,
The ratio?
if the ratio is given, then we can get the original numbers. We can get the original numbers by multiplying with
Any variable.
any variable. Any variable by multiplying with any variable. Note down. Example.
Why?
By multiplying with same variable. Same variable. Are you clear, everyone? Saurya, I don't know what are you doing. Can you go and switch on the light? Why are you laughing simply? Are you crazy? Who will laugh, you know, right? Mad people only will laugh.
Unless there's no jokes.
It is not joke, right? Note down. Let the ratio of two numbers. Let the ratio of two numbers is 5:7. 5:7. Let the ratio of two numbers be 5:7. Then the original numbers will be 5x and 7x. 5x and 7x. 5x and 7x. Are you clear? Understood?
Yes.
Why we are multiplying with x only? Because if I multiply with x only, then only I can get the original number. For example, let's take an example of 25. Okay, is to 35. Okay, these are the original numbers, right? So what is its ratio? 5 5s are 5 7s are. So 5:7, right? To get my original number,
5x and
5 should also multiply with 5.
Oh.
7 also should multiply with 5. So then only you will get the original number. But I don't know the original number.
Then
That is the reason I am assuming as a x. Are you clear, everyone?
yes.
Darshit, can you
Yes.
unmute?
It's not just like we are supposed to use only x.
Sorry, Akshara, I couldn't hear you. Can you talk loudly?
So she's telling that
Sir,
you
it's
shouldn't
not,
only multiply with
like,
one
we
variable,
can
you can
only use
multiply with as
x.
many variables.
As many variables means? Can you tell me? I cannot put.
No,
Hmm.
no, I'm saying that why it's not mandatory to put x.
Yeah, it's not mandatory to put
Yeah.
x, but you can put any variable. You can say 5a and 7a also. But you should not put 5x and 7a. Okay? We should not take two different, because why? You should multiply with the same number, then only you will get the original number, right? That's why if you are multiplying 5 with x, the 7 also should be multiplied with x only. Are you clear? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Akshara, Shivaram,
Yes, sir.
Shivani, Geeta, you should
Yes,
talk.
sir.
Nishant,
Yes, sir.
don't
Yes,
unmute.
sir.
Everyone should, sorry, don't mute. Everyone should unmute only. Note down next question. In a class, there are, in a class, there are, in a class, there are 80 children. 80 children. In a class, there are 80 children. The ratio between boys to girls. The ratio between boys to girls is 4:5. 4:5. 4:5. Find number of boys and girls. Find number of boys and girls. That is the question. Okay. Listen. What is the total number of students they given?
80.
Total number of. What does mean by total number of students? Which means
Both girls and
boys
Whole.
plus
Boys and girls.
mix.
Boys plus
Boys
girls.
and girls mix.
equal to how much they given? 80.
80.
Right?
80.
So total number of students, don't write. Everyone look into the board. Later you can write.
yes.
So if I add boys and girls, that equal to 80.
80.
What is the
80.
ratio between boys to girls?
4 is to
4 is
7.
to
4 is
Ah,
to 5.
boys
4
is
is to
to
5.
4:5.
girls. Ratio is given, right?
Yeah.
Which is equal to how much?
4 is
4
to
is to
5.
5. Now tell me, how
Or
do we
4
solve
by
this
5.
problem? How do we solve this problem?
So 80 divided by 4
Why I need to do 80 divided by 4?
to get
1 second, children. You make it this instead of 80, make it 90. Okay.
What? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Tell me, what is your thought process?
4x plus 4x.
So now 4:5 is equals 4 by 5. So if we do
Why
4
4
by
by
5
5?
into
So can I tell?
1 second.
Sir,
Yeah.
4x
Tell me.
plus 5x is equal to 90.
Very good.
So the
Why
answer is
4x plus 9x, 4x plus 5x equal to 90?
Because
What is the reason?
you're supposed to multiply a certain
So
number with
because
to get the
so because
we need to first find the original number.
Whenever the ratio is given, what I can assume? Boys
we
equal
had
to how
to
many?
find the original number, so we use x.
What is boys equal to? 4x, right?
4x.
Let boys equal to 4x. What about girls?
5x.
Girls equal to 5x.
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 Now, what is given here? If I add boys plus girls, right? So total means what? Boys plus girls.
Plus girls.
Total equal to 90. What is the
90.
meaning of total? Boys plus
Plus girls.
girls
Girls.
equal to 90. Boys
90.
plus girls equal to 90. How many boys
So
are there?
4x
4x.
plus
4x
5x
plus
is
5x
equal to
is equal to
90. So
90.
9x
Ah,
9x is equal to 90.
right. These two are like terms, sir, or
So
unlike
x
terms?
is equal to 10.
Neat
Like terms
Akshara
are
Sevanti, like
Right
terms, right?
terms.
So 4x plus 5x, which means 4 ice creams plus
9x.
5 ice creams, which is
9x
9x.
is
9.
equal to 90. X is equal to 10.
So we need to find the value of x equal to into 9,
90
go to
by
the
9.
other side by
X
9.
is equal
Only,
to 10.
hey, please, 6th class, open your mouth. 9 ones are, 9 tens
9
are.
10
Tens are.
So
X
x
is equal
equal
to
to
10.
what? 10,
x
right?
equal to
10.
10.
When I know x equal to 10, I can get my boys, right? So boys equal to how much?
4 into 10.
4 into 10, right?
4
4
into
into
10,
10.
that's
So
40
boys
and
equal
5
40.
is 50. So the original ratio is 40 is to 50.
Madam, don't tell all this. What they asked, you tell that, please. Okay, I know about you. You will solve, but then end of the day you will get confused.
Yeah.
What they asked, you answer that much only. Did they ask about the ratio? No, right? They are asking
Sir.
how many boys and how many girls.
Yeah.
You just do whatever they ask, you do that much. Okay. This is for everyone, children. That is called as a over engineering in software terminology, which is called as a over engineering. Means you have to do engineering, but you are thinking more and it leads to something else. Yeah, please copy everyone.
So done.
Given that, you need to write the statements, my dear
I
friends.
did.
Given that, I will tell you the shortcut. You no need to solve this much. Given that, total number of students equal to,
So this is fine.
write neatly. Total number of students equal to 90. 90. Next line. Also given also given. Boys to girls. Boys is to girls equal to 4:5. Boys is to girls equal to 4:5. Next line. Let the number of boys equal to, let the number of boys equal to 4x. Number of boys equal to 4x. And girls equal to 5x. Copy everything from the board.
Yes,
Well
sir.
done.
Max is very easy, children. Just you need to apply your brain.
Yes.
You are not by hearting anything. Just you are learning the concept. For every for any step, you have a reason here, right? Logical thinking is there.
So I have a question.
Hmm.
You can also do it like boys is equal to 4/5.
I'll tell you that technique. Okay. Why you are doing like that?
I didn't do it like that. I did it in this way.
No, no. There is a reason, right?
Yeah.
Hey, what is going on?
So because the boys are a part of the whole. So if you find the whole, then you can get the parts also.
Hmm. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes,
Who
sir.
will explain this? Who will explain this problem? Any sixth class? Any sixth class children?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Tell me, sir. Tell me, Arjun. What is your doubt?
Sir, for the 10 part, x is equals to 10.
Oh.
I just wanted to know before that 90, you cut off 90 for 10. I know that only that for boys and girls for 90, we put 4x and 5x. I didn't know how we got, sir.
What is boys? How many are there, boys? How many boys are there?
40.
No, forget about this. How many boys are there? 4x. How many girls are there?
5x.
Total means what I need to do?
90. So 90 we have to, nothing.
Wait, wait. Don't come to the 90. Total means what to do? Boys plus girls, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Boys plus girls is equal to 90. Now, boys is how many are there? 4x.
4x,
Girls, how many are there? 5x.
5x.
Now, tell me, these two are like terms or unlike terms?
Like terms.
Why it is called like terms?
Because they have the same variables.
Very good, excellent. So, 4x plus 5x is what?
90.
3. 4x
Four-
plus 5x is what? Just think about this. What is the
9.
value of 9?
9x.
9x. Now, what we are trying to find out here? X value, right?
X.
Why we need to find out X value? If I know X value, then I can get boys and girls, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
into 9, go to the other side, what it will become? By 9.
9 by 9.
So 90 by 9, 9 ones are, 9 tens are. Is that clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Now keep your
Yes.
notebooks. Today class is over for you. I'll tell you one important point. Okay? Anyway, you won't be there for 7 o'clock, right? Till 7 o'clock. Anybody wants to leave early? Say
Sir.
yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is boys is to girls? 4 is to
4.
5.
Sir.
Right? I am going to teach one important concept. Please listen. Okay. What is total? Don't tell the number in terms of ratio. What is the total in terms of ratio? 4 plus 5, right? 9. So,
9.
what is the total value they given? 90. Right?
90.
So, which means my total 9 parts is my total, right? You can assume that it is a parts, 9 parts. Why I am telling 9 parts? Yes, you can take this is a total value, 9 parts is equal to how much? 90. Are you clear,
90.
everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why I am
Yes, sir.
equating 9 parts equal to 90? What is the reason?
So those are the total numbers.
Because one
See,
part is equal to
One part is equal to
no.
So because the
What is total? Total means what? Boys plus girls. Boys, how many parts are there? 4 parts are there. Because you will say 4x, right?
Yeah.
Instead of that, I am taking 4 parts. What is girls? 5 parts, right? Total means what? 4 parts plus 5 parts is equal to 9 parts. 9 parts value is equal to how much they given in the question? 90. Are you clear about this first step?
Yes.
Rimjum Wala,
Yes,
are you clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Darshit, is that clear for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what is the question? Directly we can find out the boys. Boys, how many parts are there?
4 parts.
4 parts. Value of 4 parts. How much? Do you remember? Yesterday we discussed 5 apples is 30 rupees. What is 3 apples? Same logic. You can assume that 9 parts is 90 rupees. What is 4 parts? What I told logic? Question mark above value, you put like 90.
Yeah.
40.
Now you give the work to your brain. Once again, please, once again, don't talk. 9 parts. You can assume that 9 apples is 90 rupees. 4 apples will be less or more? Less or
Less.
more?
less.
Less.
It will be less.
Less.
You will give less price only to the shopkeeper, right? So
Yes,
less
sir.
means what
Yes,
number
sir.
I need to put in the numerator? 4
4.
by
4 by
9.
9.
9 ones are
4 by 9
9
9
tens
tens
are
are
into
that
90.
equal to 40.
40.
You got the
40.
same answer, right? This is
Yes,
what
sir.
boys. Similarly, girls. Girls is how many
5 by 9.
parts? 5 parts,
5
right?
5
parts.
parts.
5 parts.
5 parts. So question mark
90
above value,
into
what
5
is
by
there?
9.
Please don't talk.
90 into
90. Now give the work to your brain. Akshara, don't write. 7th class
90
Akshara,
into
are
5
you
by
writing? Don't write, please.
90
So
into 5 by
9 parts is 90 rupees. 9 apples is 90 rupees. What is the cost of 5 apples? Will it be less or more? Just
Into
tell me
5.
that.
It will be less. It will be
Less.
less.
Less means what number I need to put in the numerator?
5
5
by 9.
by
90
by
into 5 by 9.
9.
5 by 9. 9 ones
So
are
9 ones are
9
9.
tens are.
9 tens are 90. So 50.
Are you clear?
Yes.
This is called as a
Yes,
shortcut.
sir.
Huh? Shortcut. Nobody will teach in entire Bangalore. Okay. You should understand the concept and then you solve. This is given in CAT, MAT, any entrance exam. IAS, IPS, ratio and proportion is given. You can apply the same logic. Please copy this. Put the side heading, shortcut method. It is not shortcut actually. Please rejoin children. Call will disconnect in 2 minutes. Please rejoin. I won't take much time. Only I will take 5 minutes. Otherwise, tomorrow again I have to explain this. Then it will be a very headache for me. So now you understood? Any problem you can solve, right? So only thing is you should understand ratio is given 4 parts and 5 parts. What is total? 9 parts. They given 90. What Akshara 70? Are you looking, what is that watch? Do you want to go anywhere? Where is she? She's not there. Huh? I think she already left. No problem.
So we'll put the 9 parts.
Everyone
Sir,
clear?
Yeah.
Sir.
Huh? Oh, you are there.
Yeah.
Oh, you are there. I thought you are not there. You are looking watch. Then I thought maybe you have a very busy person. Okay.
Oh,
You
sir,
given
I have exam tomorrow.
what exam, Akshara?
Sanskrit.
Huh? Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit is easy. Ramo, Ramo, Ramopi. Some shabdas is there, na? Rama, Ramaya, Ramoha. Some shabdas is there. Even in +1, I studied Sanskrit, but I don't know anything Sanskrit. I need to write in Telugu.
Sanskrit is just like Hindi.
Yeah. See, I wrote it in Hindi.
Hindi
Maybe
and
you people are
Telugu.
writing in
Hindi and
English.
Telugu.
Okay. Next problem.
So I can.
Note down the next problem. I don't want to note down the next problem, children. Please listen. Okay. What you can say here, the cost of, don't write. No. Why we have to go? Don't write anything. Shirt to, the ratio between shirt to pant. PANT only, na? Pant is 8:9. 8:9. And